And Diana with Carol go to a gadget shop to buy some phone case or a new phone case. Diana and Carol's get into their parents' car, then go back home. Freddy and his parents go to IKEA to buy some stuff. Turn out that Freddy and Farah are actually a best friend during their childhood time. Hello everyone, SHAHLIFE here, back with another video. Here in my channel, I will talk about whatever I want basically. And this is actually my first English video, so I hope you can understand my English even though it is not so good, but I think still understandable. So today, what we have here, we have this Rubik cube, and I will walk through you guys on how to solve these things. And what really special about this tutorial is that we will solve this with some stories and not some typical step like right up, like right up and all of that. So we will solve this by using stories to make it more easier to remember. Okay, and for disclaimer, this tutorial is for the total beginner, which means you have never solved this, or you try to follow other tutorial but you find it hard to follow. So this is perfect for you. And also this video is for everyone, regardless of your age, your gender, or even your marital status. Haha, okay? So before we start, I need to ask you guys on the basic or the things that you need to know so that you can understand throughout my tutorial. Okay, so the first one is basic action acronym. Okay, which means we have like in the world of Rubik's cube, there is a acronym, something like this is right, this is up, this is up prime, this is right prime, and this is left, this is left prime. So that is you need to know lah. So the first thing is R. So this is R, which is right, and up, this is up, and the against up is U prime. Okay, U prime is up, so this one up prime, and as this is right, so the right prime is like this, and this is left prime, so the left is like this, and the last one is this front. Okay, this is front, and the front prime is like this. This is the first. The second one is the cube anatomy. What it's mean by anatomy, this one is actually I made it myself because I want to make it clear and to make you guys understand throughout my tutorial also lah. Okay, so first is base. We will have a base, so in my case we will have the base is white, so this is base. Okay, and base is always in the we put it in the bottom, something like this lah. And the surface is this one, this is surface, this is base, this is surface, and this is right. Okay, this is right, this is left, this is block, this block, this one is block, so this we call it block, this is block. Okay, and cell is only the surface, like only the surface, something like this lah. This is surface, this is cell, and this is cell, and this is also cell. So cell, this cell and this cell will form a block. Okay, so for this block it is consists of two cells, this cell and this cell. And the last thing that you need to know is the base of each color. So we will look on the center, on its center. So this is the center of this this particular surface is blue, so this is for blue, this is for orange, this is for yellow, and so on. So this is their right place to be filled lah. Okay, enough with the introduction and the basic. So now we will start the actual tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial we will have 4 sections or 4 steps. The first step is, I call it as base cross. The objective of step 1 is to have a cross color or a cross pattern or shape. Okay, so we will have this white, and this white. So we will have plus or cross shape of white. Okay, so this is base. We will put like this, always like this, and you can turn around the upper part of the cube. So this is upper, right? This is upper part of the cube. So you can turn around, and you will take a look on only this is surface, right? This is base, this is surface. So you just only take a look on the plus or the cross section of the surface. You no need to take a look on this one, this block, and this block. So you no need to take a look on that. So you just look at the cross part, and you look where or which one got white in color. So you can see this is white in color, right? It's white in color. So you just put it like in your like facing you, like this. Okay, like facing you. So now you have white, and this is orange. So this is orange, so you turn your cube like this, and you will need to have the orange in facing you. So like this is orange facing you. Okay, so you just turn around this until you get at the right spot. So this is the white, remember? So you just turn the upper part until you get like this. So this is the right place. This is white, and this is the right place, which is orange. So you just need to turn this into the right place. This is the right place, the base. So you just turn it around like this. So this one is done. So you did the same thing. We do it as this is already done. So we just need to do for the this one and this one. Okay, I can say that this is the most difficult. I think this is the first part is the most difficult among all section or all step, because we have no story here, and this is mostly our logical thinking. Okay, so so don't worry, maybe you confused on this, but this is only the part that you might confuse. The other part or other section, I guarantee you it is much easier. Okay, so we continue. This is base, we put it like this, and you only focus on the cross part of the surface. So you find which cell have white. So we don't have white at the surface. So take a look on the other side of the cell. So we take a look on this block. Okay, the block of the center. Okay, so we will find another white color. So we have here is the white color. So this one is don't have white, right? So this one is also don't have white color. This one got, but we choose this. What we can do is you go into, because this is white and red, so you go to red like this. This is the red place, right? So you just go here, you put it some parallel like this. Alright, okay, if something like this happen, just remember this step, these three simple steps: left, right prime, front, just like that. Okay, and now you already complete this. So the last part, this one. So what we need to do is the same thing. You focus on the plus one, and you search for the white. And now we have white and green. So we put it in the right spot lah, in the right place. So this is the right place. If this something like this, so this is not the right place, right? It's because this is green and this is orange, so this is not the right place. So you go to the green and you put it in the same line, something like this. Then because the white is not in the surface, we do the step same like this, which is up prime, right prime, and front. This simple 3 step, and you can see this is already scribble back, but you can just put it back because we already put here, right? So don't scribble back whatever you already did. So now we already have plus of our base. This is the correct place, this is the correct place, so we have this. So section 1 is completed. Like I said, this section or this first part is actually the hardest among all of the step. So you will find this the most difficult to follow lah. But I think even though it is the most difficult to follow, but it is not as difficult as you think actually. So you just need to train and you will get the result lah. And maybe you will used to it suddenly. So the first part or the first section is completed.